Fine. So that is how our mass delete works. The next concept here is a mass transfer. What is a mass transfer? Import, export, delete, these things we all understand. What is this transfer concept? Transfer concept is, see, if you guys have noticed, in Salesforce, every record has an owner. If you, open any record in Salesforce, you will see that there is a record owner. For account, there is an account owner, you see. If you go to contacts, you will see that there are contact owners. If you go to campaign, you will see that there is a campaign owner. Right. So we have account owner. So every record basically has an owner, right? Transfer of a record means changing the owner, okay, or transferring it from one record owner to the other record owner. So that is the concept. So let's say now Vijay is the owner of this record, and I want to transfer it from Vijay to, let's say, Srinivas. So that is transfer of the record. So transferring single record is pretty easy. You can just come to the record and click on change. So on the owner name, there is an option called change. You can click on this and select a new owner. So that owner again should be a user registered within your Salesforce. So I think for this account we do not have any other owner option. But this is how a transfer of a single record works. What if I want to transfer multiple records? Okay, again the same concept. Think about the situation when one, there is a person who is leaving the team. Okay, someone has resigned. There's a sales guy who owns a few accounts and he has resigned and he is leaving. And there's another salesperson who will start taking care of his accounts. So again, if there are 500, 600 accounts under his name, you cannot start transferring it one by one. So you'll have to do mass transfer. Okay. So mass transfer is simply transferring some data from one owner to the other owner. How do we do that? Go to setup. Data management. Say mass transfer records. What do you want to transfer? Let's say you want to transfer accounts. Click on transfer accounts. Say transfer from. So transfer from should be the person from whom you want to transfer. Transfer to. Because we just have one user here, I'm selecting the from and to same person, but you should ideally choose two different people here, right? And then remaining all the things are same. So you just have to put a search criteria and then you have to transfer that data. Let me use the same search criteria. So you put the criteria, it will show you a list of records. We are transferring accounts, right? Okay. Did I really throw some result here? Yeah, because we are not selecting a different owner. So there are no records for which this guy is not the owner. So he is already the owner. That is the reason why it does not show any results here, right? But whatever. So we need to select a user as transfer from. We need to select a user as transferred to, find the data, and then again the same way. Select all those records. Click on transfer, right? So that is how this transfer process will work. Okay. I think we have a question here. Can we change the owner to system default and not the user ID? Is there concept of system default? No. So there is a question whether we can actually make system default as a owner or something, or transfer it to the default. No, you will always need to transfer it to a user. So owner of a record always needs to be a valid user. Okay, it cannot be other. All right. So this is all right. You're fine with this? Mass transfer, mass delete. Clear on it? Okay. Now